Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Happy and I'm trying to provide value on my channel. Imagine if you make 57K in the first week of months. Now you can make 100% commissions by copying this program. And here's the crazy part. Stay with me, you can just watch the video to get all of the information that you need. Then get 100% resell rights to this $57,000 software and plus so many other tools. You can of course use these tools yourself, sell them for 100% commissions, use them to build a list, use them as a bonuses to sell affiliate programs. And in fact, you can even rebrand them to launch your own marketing super brand. Chris, who is the owner, actually calls this program remixing, but I don't want to spoil it anything. Let's just say his method is ingenious. By the way, the site was created with this software as well. The email templates is inside the software. In fact, all Chris's business is template driven. And now you can steal his templates and remix them. Okay, I'll let Chris explain what he's up to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Let's find out about this program to make a new way to be financially free. Let's watch and learn.
Steps that we're going to follow in this demo. So the first step that we're going to take is to create our branding and product, and this is basically our preparation. So this would normally take weeks and months to do, but with Remixable it literally takes just a few moments. So the first thing we'll want to do is to brainstorm the name of our product. And to do this, we'll just head over to Remixable and click on the quick start guide where I'll walk you through the process of how we actually come up with the name of our product. Then we'll want to create a logo, an e-cover, and of course to actually build our software product. And to do this is very easy. To create our logo, we'll just head over to Remixable and create our logo. To create our e-cover, we'll just click on Create E-cover. And to create our software product, we'll just head over to Resell Rise. And so I'm going to open up all of these tabs in preparation of the speed demo. Now once you've created our product and our brands, the first step is done and our preparation is basically complete. And what we'll want to do now is to set up the website that's actually going to sell our product. And that involves website design, copywriting, image creation, and of course publishing our page to either a domain or subdomain. And once again with Remixable, this takes literally just a few minutes to do all of this. And to do this, we'll need to take a few steps. We'll need to preload our content, and we'll do this by just entering one keyword. So we'll go over to Remixable and we can create our content from the product page. So I'm going to open the product page in a new tab. Next, we'll want to choose a website to remix, and this is something we'll do in one click. So we'll head back to Remixable and load up the research section. Then we'll want to register a domain or subdomain, which again takes under a minute, and we'll do this by opening the domains page. And then lastly, we're going to build our website and publish the page to a URL, which we can do in under a minute. And I'll do this by loading up the pages section of Remixable. And once this has all been done, that basically completes our speed test, and we're now ready to sit back and earn 100% with our own software product. So at this point, we'll be live and ready to start selling our software. And of course, you're ready to start getting buyer traffic to our new site without having to have spent $5,000 to $20,000 in development costs and invested over 6 to 12 months of effort to actually get to this stage. Now, to get traffic, I'm going to provide you with training, and I'll even send you buyer traffic from my own list. But be aware that this is a feature that's going to be removed very, very soon. And I'll just load up the traffic section just so I can walk you through exactly how easy that is. But let's actually head over to the first step and actually start our speed demo. So the first thing we want to do is branding and preparation, which is brainstorming a name, creating a logo, creating an e-cover, and creating our software. So let's start with brainstorming our name. And to do this, we'll head over to the quick start guide and we'll click on brainstorm product names. You can see that I've actually given you a breakdown of how to do this. And in the interest of speed, I'm just going to grab one of the names that I've actually suggested here, which is Push Probots. So that will be the name that we're going to run with. Now we need to create our logo, and to do this, I'm just going to type in Push Probots and then uncheck these options here so that we're only focused on this building. I'm then going to choose the purple and pink color scheme, select a few fonts, and then scroll down and click on Create My Logos. Now, as you can see, Remixable is going to throw out some different designs, and in the interest of speed, I'm just going to choose this one because I like the font, click to remix a few variations, and then I'm going to go with this one. So I'll download the logo, and that now completes our logo. Next, I'm going to create an e-cover, and here we can upload some demo images, and those are optional, but what we'll definitely want to do is to upload the logo that we've just created. So we've added our logo. Again, I'm going to choose the same color scheme as before. I'm now going to choose a few variations and then click to download those e-covers. Now we've brainstormed a name, created a logo, created an e-cover, and the next thing we want to do is to actually create our software. So now I'm on the Resell rights page, and this is how we create our software product. Now at this point we could add as many of these as we want and actually build a complete software package, but in the interest of speed I'm just going to check one product, which is Push Pro Lite. I'm going to scroll down and give this a name, and I think the name that we had was Push Probots. And then I'll scroll down and click on Create New Product. So just to recap, we've brainstormed a name, created our logo, created our e-cover, and also created our software. And so the next thing we'll want to do is to actually build our website and create our website. So at this point, our product and branding are complete, and we now need to set up the website that's actually going to sell our product. And this is a very quick process. So the first thing we'll want to do is to load our content. And we do this by simply entering one keyword. And actually, if you remember, I just clicked Create Product at the bottom of the Resell rights page. And it's actually already entered our keywords. So I'm just going to close this one down, just delete a few of these keywords because we're not selling a bundle here, we're selling one product. And I'm going to enter a few keywords that relate to push notifications, which is the product that we're selling. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see that it's actually already started to preload fields for some of the products that we've already entered. So it's already preloading some of these fields for the fact that we're selling a push list. So my name's already entered by default. The product we're going to be selling is Push Pro Bots. We're going to be pricing this one at $17. And I've actually already created a buy link. In this case, I'm going to be selling this on Warrior Plus. So if we go over to my Warrior Plus account, I've actually already created a offer. And by the way, I'll give you training on how to do this. It's very, very simple to create a buy link. And you can see this is my buy link here for this particular offer. And so I'll go back to Remixable, and where it says enter your buy link, I'm just going to paste that in. And I'm going to leave pretty much everything else checked. So I'm just going to click on Save and Proceed. And just spend a few moments kind of showing you how Remixable has preloaded all of the content for this particular niche. So you can see we've got all these demo images, we have benefits, we have bullet points, and we can just click on these spinner icons to cycle through some of the done for you content. But you know, this is pretty much already done for us, and we don't really need to do anything else in order to actually prepare our content. So I'll just click on Save just to show you the third and final page, which is the Media and Images page. And you can see it's preloading icons, background images, vectors, and all we need to do now is to add our logo. And the e-covers that we just created a few moments ago. And so we've done that now, and we can click on Save and Proceed to save our new product. That's the product there. And by the way, you can see that Remixable comes preloaded with all of the Resell rights products already there. But we've now completed this step of loading our content. We just actually entered a couple of keywords and it preloaded content for those keywords. The next thing we want to do is to choose a website to remix. And we can do this by heading over to the research page. You can see we've not added any websites to remix. And then when I head over to popular sites and just browse through, and the one that I'm going to remix is affiliate video bots. I like this color scheme with the purples and the oranges. And so I've already added this one. It's actually been automatically added. So to unadd it, we just click on the button and that's now been added as an option to remix. Now we need to register a domain or subdomain. And to do this, we head over to the domains page. In this case, in the interest of speed, I'm going to register a subdomain. And since this one's called Push Pro Bots, I'm just going to search Push Pro Bots. And you can see we have a few variations that we can run with. So I'm going to run with pushprobots.commissions.live. Click on register this domain. And it's now registered our subdomain. And we can see that as an option to publish to within our site. And from here, we can publish our sales page and our download page. And then lastly, we need to build our website and then publish that page that we've just created to our subdomain. And to do this, we just click on Pages, click on Create Page. You can see this is a new account. I actually have the tour loading up. I'm just going to close this down. And then to create our page, all we want to do is to make sure that we've selected sales page, which is what we want to create. We're going to remix affiliate video bots. You can see that will preload the color scheme. And then we're going to choose our product, which is Push Pro Bots. And you can see that will load up all of the keywords while maintaining the color scheme and fonts from affiliate video bots. Then I'll click on Remix Style Sheet, which will insert all of that content, the design and the copy and everything else into our different blocks. Then we simply scroll down and start including the blocks that we want to have in our design. If we want to make a change, we just click on a button. So in this case, you can see that the black is not particularly visible on the page. So I'll click to remix the color. The white is much more visible. And in the interest of speed, I'm not going to make too many changes to these pages. I'm just going to scroll down and click to include the blocks. And you can see that it's already preloaded in the content, the images, and the buy links and everything else that we need to start selling. I could spend a lot more time here loading through the different variations of each block, changing the color schemes, the different graphical elements, the fonts. I'm just going to quickly create a few of these variations, scroll down and save our page. So you can see our page is now live and all we need to do is publish it. The way we do that is we just click on Publish, choose the domain, which in this case I'm going to publish to pushprobots.com.commissions.live. I'm going to leave the URL blank and I'm not going to enter any header code, and I'm going to click here to put our site live. The page has been published successfully. And now if I head back over to domains and click under my subdomains, you can see that our page is now live at this URL. If I head over to the page, you can see it's actually live. We have a headline, we have a video preloaded, our buy buttons there, we have all of the different contents that we added. And of course this page could use some work. We could improve it graphically and add some additional stuff. But fundamentally, this is a done-for-you sales page selling a proven software product, and we've done absolutely no writing whatsoever, no work, no content creation, and of course no software development, and it's all preloaded with our brand new software brand. So that's literally how long it took for us to create a brand new software product, selling our own software on our own website with our own custom brand. And at this point, we're now ready to start getting buyer traffic to our site without having to have invested thousands of dollars in software and product creation, without having to build a site or write any copy, and of course, without having to invest months and months of effort. The last thing we'll need to do is to actually get buyer traffic. And I do provide training on this. There's detailed training on the steps that you'll need to take in order to get traffic and how to start recruiting affiliates. And I'll even show you how I can actually send you traffic myself using my email signature rotation. So I'll actually send you my buyer traffic by putting links to your site in my emails to my buyers. I'll allow you to list on Pro Club, which is my buyer site, and I'll also promote your site within the Pro Club launch pull section and show you how to start to recruit affiliates. And remember, you can get my feedback at any time via the one-click live coaching, live chats, which I provide on the site. So at this point, you can start to get buyer traffic to your new site, and you can, of course, use Remixable to create unlimited brands, software products, and sites. So this was just a demonstration of one site selling one software product using one brand, but you can use Remixable to rinse and repeat this process an unlimited number of times. So please remember, this is just one quick demo. There's so much more that we've just skipped over in order to move through this as quickly as possible. So in conclusion, there's really nothing like Remixable on the planet. So selling your own software product is the number one system. It's the system that took me from zero to doing $170,000 in a single day in literally just 14 months. I tried absolutely everything else, tried every system out there, couldn't make it work, and then this was the system that really changed everything for me. And I've always wanted to allow average people to automate this and to actually make money with this. But it's taken me 15 years to work out how to do it, and then a full lockdown and over $100,000 in development costs for me to actually take the time and invest the money to actually build this. But as of today, I can finally say that Remixable automates the entire process of selling your own software product, which is really the number one system out there. So if you want to make money online, then you'll definitely want to join, because this is the number one, most proven, most profitable system I've ever come across. If you want to sell your own product, then of course it's a no-brainer. There's no other way that you can do this without using Remixable. And if you've tried everything else, you've tried to use all these different systems, from SEO to traffic generation to blogging to Facebook marketing and all these different things, and nothing's worked for you, then I think that you'll like how proven this system is. And after all, you've probably bought dozens of these products yourself, so you know that other people are making money selling these software products because you're the proof. You will have bought these own products yourself. And then lastly, if you're at all curious, then join now, because right now we have a special founder pricing offer on. And of course, this is risk-free. So if you don't like it for any reason whatsoever, then you can cancel and refund. We have a 100% risk-free guarantee, because we want you to be absolutely sure that this is for you. So there's really no excuse not to give this a try. So I think that covers it, guys. Just wanted to do this video because I've got a few emails from people asking exactly how quick this works and if I can do the whole process in a single video. People have said things like, it's probably going to take you hours to do that, but if you can, I'd really appreciate it. But as you can see, it literally takes just a few minutes, and that's with me actually commentating and walking you through the process. So there really is nothing like this out there on the planet. Be sure to join Remixable, and be sure to do it this week before we end the special founder pricing. So thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you. Join Remixable, and I look forward to chatting to you and working with you and coaching you to actually make money using this system and using Remixable. So thanks, and I'll see you on the other side of the members area.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.